Hello, welcome to this ROS video tutorial. My name is Marco Arruda and today I'm going to show how you can subscribe to a custom message file. Okay, so this user is trying basically to access the attributes X, Y, and Z of a message geometry messages vector tree kind. Okay, so he has this custom message which has 4 other messages inside. Okay, and we have to access these attributes like X, Y, and Z of a vector tree. So it can be direction, normal, or YPR. I don't know what it means, but okay. In order to show how we can do that, I'm going to use RDS, ROS Development Studio, provided by the Construct. Okay. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one just following the link in the description of this video. So first things first, let's create a new project. Okay, so my project, the same for the description. This is a private project, I don't want to share. And it's done, let's open it. And wait a few seconds until we have our ROS environment ready to be used. Here on the left we have the IPython notebook. I'm not going to use it, so let's hide it. And start creating a package to show how to solve the problem of the user. So we have getting workspace created already. Let's get inside the source folder. We have nothing here. Let's start creating our package. So I'm going to call it my package. It depends on standard messages, geometry messages. And also we have to add ROS C++ and ROS Pi. Okay. Here we have our package. Let's compile it to make sure everything was created properly. Okay, great. Let's start coding. So, first of all, we have to create a message. Inside our package, we have to create a folder called message, MSG. And inside this folder, my custom message. Okay, I'm gonna just copy the definition of the user to have the same, exactly the same message he's working. And in order to create a message, we have to configure our CMake file. This is a make file. We have to add here add message files. Message files are actually just one, so my message file is my custom message. And in order to generate this message, we depend on geometry messages. Okay, and that's it. Now in our package file, we have to add here build depend message generation and run depend message runtime. Actually, you have also to add this message generation into the CMake file. Okay, right here, find package message generation, and let's create a message. So just have to compile the workspace again. Great, so here we have the message. Let's take a look. We have some modifications in our workspace, so let's source libraries and take a look in our message. I want to check if my custom message is right there. Here we have my package, my custom message. Let's take a look inside it. ROS message, show my package, my custom message, and here it is. So header, direction, normal, Pampus, and YPR, vector tree, point, and two other vector tree. Okay, great. So before showing how to subscribe to this kind of message, we have to create a publisher. Let's do it in Python. I think it's faster. We have to create a folder scripts, and let's create here publisher py.py. Okay, In order to create a publisher, I'm gonna just copy a template from ROS week. So let's find for ROS by writing a publisher, and here we have. Let's just copy this code here. Okay. We are using our custom message from our package. So from my package message, we want to include my custom. We are creating a publisher here of this kind of message, my custom. Okay. Let's publish to my topic. The name of the node is publisher. My publisher. At rate 1 Hz. I think it's enough to show how it's working. Our message is my custom, and let's fill the direction attribute. So message dot direction x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 3. Okay. Here we are logging to the terminal and publishing to the topic. Okay, rate sleep, wait until 1 second and publish another message. So let's open a new terminal here. You can do so clicking on this plus button right here. Let's put it smaller. Source our catkin libraries and run our node. So we have inside my package my have publisher pi. Okay, great. So we are publishing this message. We have nothing in the header, direction 1, 2, and 3, and the rest of the messages are empty. It's okay. So now let's create our publisher, our subscribers, and finally show how to do that. So let's do it first in Python. I have here subscriber.py. Let's do like this, subscriber_py.py. Let's use a template to create our subscriber. We can just copy this one and modify it to our needs. So we are using again my package, my custom message, and inside the callback let's log the values we want to see. So direction x equals to, let's convert to a string because they are vector 3, and inside vector 3 we have float numbers. Okay, so here we have data dot direction dot x, and the same for y and z values. Okay, we just have to modify the name of the topic we're subscribing. Subscribe to this topic here, my topic, and the name of the node, listener. I'm gonna call it subscriber Python subscriber. Okay, rate's done. Let's run it. ROS run my package, and here we have subscriber Python. Okay, just forget to modify the kind of message we're subscribing. Actually, this is my custom message, not a string. Let's source again our environment to make sure we have our messages defined and run our node. So okay, so we are subscribing, and here we have direction x, y, and z values. Okay, great. So now let's show how to do that in C++. It's just a bit different. So let's create here subscriber.cpp subscriber. I'm gonna also copy a template from the wiki. Okay, so ROS.py, let's change it to ROS CPP, writing a publisher, and we can just copy the template and modify to the way we need. Okay, So here we have the subscriber. Let's copy it, paste to our file. I'm gonna remove some comments just to be able to see all the code, and you will see it's not complicated. Okay, so let's import here from my package my custom message. Here we have const my package, my custom message, const ptr message, and inside the message I'm gonna use data here just to have like in Python. So we have data, we have chosen an arrow because we are working with a pointer. We have direction. After the first arrow here we have to use dot because we are inside the object, like let's say. So direction dot x, and the same for y and z. Okay, so direction x is, let's put like this. Okay, but this is a float number, so we have to use f. Okay, direction x, y, and z, and we are logging this information. Great. We are working with C++, so we have to compile, and before compiling we have to modify a little bit our CMake list file. First of all, we have to uncomment here, add executable. So the name of the node, the name of the executable, let's call it C++ subscriber. The name of the file, C++ subscriber.c++, which is inside this source folder. And target link libraries, just put the name of the executable we want to use. Let's try to compile it. Great, it's done. We have it. Let's run my package cpp subscriber. And okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to change the name of the topic we're subscribing, which is not chatter. Actually, the name of the topic is my topic. That's the problem of copying and pasting. Let's compile again. There it is, and run the node. Great, so now we have direction attribute from the message and the values of x, y, and z. That's it. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and get a new video about ROS every day. That's it. Thank you guys. See you.